Hello everybody. People keep asking me why I am not making any more vlogs. I appreciate that everyone keeps waiting for my clip to come out. But you tell me, what should I do in this weather? I am getting bored. Last night I have recharged my drone's batteries. My drone is ready to fly. But where? Where should I fly it? Around my house, every 2 minutes, a flight departs. Basically, I am pretty bored. I am bored because I can't go anywhere. Whenever I plan to go outside, either it's raining, it's windy, it's too cold, it's snowing. I am bored, I am bored, I can't do anything in this weather. Oh God, I am bored, I am bored. I'm just eating and eating. Should I eat the fishes? Ha 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 ha. Should I eat my cat's food?
You can see the best parts of this house.
It takes a lot of work for this thing. Dad, don't go to the light!
Can't just watch movies all the time. My plan was to go to Stonehenge, but because of this rainy weather, I have cancelled it. My plan was to go to Scotland, but because of this severe snow, I had to cancel that as well. I am getting bored. Let's call my friends.
Hello.
Hello, Connie.
Hello, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, can you come to my house? I'm getting bored.
I'm the one to look after them.
Okay, thank you. I still love you. Hello, Linda? Can you hear me? Hello? Hello? Oh, the network. I know whom I need to call.
Thank you for calling Thames Valley Police. This is Francis Hapgood, the Chief Constable speaking. Please select from the following options.
Hello? Hi. I have a problem. I am dead bored and I can't find anybody to spend some time with me. Do you have anybody spare to send at my place so we could have some fun?
I don't know who in the hell you're talking to, dude. You got the wrong number.
Hello?